Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I know it's been a minute, but let's get into that. Today we are trading over 2, over 3, over 5 and under 5. But before we get into that, remember to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. And I've seen some of you have been trying to reach my account. My Instagram is at _dash. But before I give you these free strategies, free entry points, remember to get my subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. We are at 570 and everything will be well. So the first one, let's trade over 2 using 2 ticks because of digit 1 and 2 are above 10%. So remember, there's some condition you have to meet before entering the market. So if digit 0 is below 10%, also digit 9 should be below 10%. That's okay. Other traders say that digits below 2 should be below 10%, but we can risk that because we're using 2 ticks. Remember, entry point digits 0, 1 and 2, that's your entry point. That's a win. Remember guys, this is a perfect entry point for under 5 again. Let's go. For under 5, wait for the cursor to touch digit 9. You first wait and see how the cursor is behaving. When the cursor goes to digits either 8 or 9, let's see how it behaves. 9, it goes to no. 9, it goes to digits below. Yeah, under 9. That's a loss. But remember, losses are there. Let's perfect entry points. That's a win. That's for under 5 market. Have you seen my entry point? Digits below 5 should be below. Digits below 5 should be above 10%. Entry point, digits 8 or 9, you press under 5. Let's do over 3. Let's use 2 ticks. Though this market is not favorable it's not favorable actually. Let's see if we can, let's see how the cursor behaves. For over 3, wait for the cursor to touch 2 digits below 3%, below 3, press over. And digits below 3 should be constant. I can see they are increasing in percentage. Let's just do 1. Remember to use proper risk management. Don't overtrade the market. That's a win. I think we'll stop there. I've done like 4 trades. After 4 trades, you shift the market, you go to another one. Yeah, subscribe to the channel guys. Gets me to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll remove a PDF about the entry points, strategies, the conditions that have to meet, and everything will be well. Peace out.